Welcome guys, in this video I will be showing you how to create this diamond with having a bloom in the background. So first start by deleting the default cube and add a cylinder. Set the vertices to 10. Now go to orthographic view from x-axis and in edit mode go to wireframe mode and select the bottom vertices. Merge vertices at the center and select top vertices and extrude them to form a diamond like shape. Now we need to duplicate this. And resize it. Rotate it on z-axis so that we can get some extra geometry inside our diamond, so extra light bounces. Now join both of these. Now we have to set their material. Choose a glass material with roughness 0. Now add a plane on which our diamond will rest on. Move the plane to the bottom of the diamond like this. Now select the light and move it to the back of the diamond. Make sure that it's exactly from behind the diamond. Set the power to 50. And we will also give some color to our glass, so light blue color. Select the camera and lock it on the view. Now set your scene and set the background color as black. I will move this a little bit downwards. Select cycles and this will be our final result. We have to increase the lightening, so set it to 100. Yeah, that seems fine. Solid view, and we have to set our image. Set the render value to 150 and also don't forget to enable the denoising. Set the output to JPEG and quality 200. And that's all. So thanks for watching.